So the first part is to make perfume the character of the musk. This can be done using the original musk. Obviously we can't afford it and it's not allowed, and I'm not going to give you a lecture on what is musk and how it's made and all that. There you can see a lot of YouTube videos. They just consume a lot of time in that. So basically it's not allowed. It comes from a special kind of a deer, so, and they kill the deer to get that musk from it. Very pungent, very strong smell, enigmatic. So in this perfume, the composition hasn't got those kind of features like it's enigmatic or it's too strong. It's not that. It's very pleasant, sharp, freshness to it, and it's just like personally I like this. Personally, I like this perfume. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna make the musk aspect of it. For this one, the quantity is 1000 ml, and I need to scale this down because I made two combinations of. When I make this type of oil, I use two separate on accords, you can say, and then I mix them in a special percentage, everything within a beaker. So for the musky aspect, I need ethylene bracelet. So this is the major part of it, and then I need ambery notes towards the ethylene bracelet, and certain notes or chemical or synthetic chemicals will make it into very close smell of musk, and it's sweet musk smell that would be created using this musk accord kind of thing. The second part is I will use the second accord is basically to make the perfume into the silver musk by Nasomatto impression. So for that I need a powdery accord, but not typical powdery accord. It needs to have some kind of a touch of floral, and then freshness needs to be coming in. The best solution is Hedion for that. So it's a bit of an odd one, this perfume, although it looks very simple, but it's not. Trust me, to make it into what is the actual perfume, it's a bit of work that you need to do in that, you know. So these two accords are basically combined together in a special percentage, then you will have the very close impression of the actual perfume. So if you are testing and you're not getting that authentic smell or exact smell of Nasomatto, don't be afraid of it. If you make them in two sections, then combine with different combination. For example, 1 drop of the musk accord you made and 1 drop of the powdery. Obviously the powdery is less, it's musky perfume. Powder is a bit of after effect of it, you know. So when you smell the perfume, you know it's musky, woody freshness, and then after you smell the powderness and dryness and crispiness of the perfume. I hope I communicated that right. So you need to know, okay, 2 scales of 2 drops of the musk and then 1 drop of the powdery composition you make. This musk composition, you can use it in different perfume, but obviously there's something will be missing from that. So this is not a typical musk accord. This is made in a way to accommodate Nasomatto powdery effect of it. So the first thing we're going to do is to scale the accords down to 1000 ml. So when all the perfume is ready, the volume would be no more than 1100. This is my target, and I tend to go towards 1000 limit. So 1000 is ideal volume for me. But if you can't, then don't be afraid, you know, just scale down to 1100, which is also sometimes it happens because you need to adjust to a few solvents, especially when they are when the mixture is cloudy. So in the next video, next section, I'm gonna mention all the the oils and the synthetics. That when I say synthetic, I hope you understand synthetic is the safest use of the oils. They are made in the lab, and they're not cheap. Basically, they are safe to use. They are not toxic. They're not poisonous. They're made safe for us to use. In case of the deer musk, it's unethical. Animal cruelty is involved in it, so it's not allowed. In that case, we made something synthetic in the lab, and which is less expensive. I mean, it's not that expensive as compared to the actual musk of the deer, because that's very, very expensive. So this is the benefit of using something synthetic. So don't look at it as a bad thing that if the synthetic oils or composition is made of synthetic materials is bad. No, the quality would be even better at times, and it's very, very safe to use. Okay, so I'll see you in the next section.